Can you hear the cicadas? They're driving me crazy. They really are. Anyways, no recipe this week. I apologize. But before you switch channels, I've got something you're gonna like. In fact, I think you'll like it even better than the weekly recipes. Pretty sure you will. Yeah, I'd be willing to wager a bet on it. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Hang tight. I'm giving away an Ooni Pro Pizza Oven. That's better, right? This Ooni Pro, it's badass. It heats up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit in about 30 minutes, and it can cook a 14-inch pizza in about 90 seconds flat. That's pretty much on par with those larger wood-fired ovens that you see in restaurants, around town nowadays. But the cool thing about the Ooni is that it's super compact and it's pretty light. So you can just bring it on out, set it up on a table, fire it up, cook your pizzas, let the oven cool down, and then store it somewhere until you're ready to use it again. Not a bad oven to have at your disposal. So, just a little backstory on how this contest came about. I wrote to Ooni a few weeks ago and I said, hey guys, I'm coming up on 20,000 subscribers. I'd like to do something special for my community. How would you guys feel about partnering on a series of videos in the month of September that focus on one of your ovens? Oh, and by the way, could I get a second oven to give away to somebody on my channel? They wrote back and they said, you know what? We love your channel. We like the videos you're doing. Let's partner up. Let's do it. So this month, you're gonna get 4 videos that feature the Ooni Pro Pizza Oven. Comment on one of the videos and you'll be entered into the contest. At the end of the month, I'll draw a name and Ooni will drop ship a pizza oven directly to you. It's as simple as that. You don't need to subscribe, although I'd really appreciate it. But all you gotta do is comment. If you don't comment, you can't enter. And there's some other housekeeping items that I'll leave in the video description box below the video. So make sure you read those, all right? Any questions? Leave me comments on this video and I'll be sure to answer them for you. And that's it. Good luck.